Cancer, something important is shifting before this month ends. This is not small. This is emotional truth meeting real-life decisions. Stay with me fully. Every card connects. The first card opening your energy is the moon. You have been carrying silent emotions. Not dramatic, not loud, but heavy. There is something you sensed weeks ago, a change in someone's tone, a shift in behavior, or maybe a quiet dissatisfaction inside yourself. You didn't speak immediately because you wanted proof. The moon shows confusion created by incomplete information. Someone may not be fully transparent, or you may be protecting your vulnerability until you feel safe. There is hesitation here, and that hesitation is not weakness, it is emotional intelligence. You might notice your mind becoming more active at night, thinking about conversations again, replaying situations, trying to read between the lines. Cancer. Your intuition is strong, but fear can exaggerate. The first calm instinct is usually correct. The dramatic story after that is anxiety. Before this month ends, something hidden becomes clear. It may be through a simple action, not a big confession. But once you see the truth, your confusion drops immediately. You move from emotional fog to clarity. The next card is King of Cups. This is emotional stability. Either you are stepping into this role or someone around you is. This energy is calm, controlled, and mature. No emotional explosions. No manipulative reactions. If this represents someone in your life, they feel deeply but do not show everything outwardly. Their care is shown through consistency, not dramatic words. Watch their behavior patterns. That is where sincerity lives. If this is you, it means you are learning emotional regulation. You are no longer reacting from mood. You are responding from wisdom. That changes how people treat you. When you stay calm, others lose control of the situation. Before the month ends, you handle something emotionally in a way that surprises even you. Instead of crying or reacting instantly, you stay steady, and that calm strength shifts the outcome in your favor. The third card is Three of Pentacles. This is collaboration energy. In work, someone values your input. You may be invited into a project or conversation where your opinion matters. Recognition builds slowly but steadily. This card shows progress through teamwork. If you have been doing everything alone, that changes. Support appears. Someone offers help or guidance. Accept it. You do not need to carry every responsibility alone. In relationships, this card is about cooperation instead of conflict. Practical conversations replace emotional tension. You may sit down and discuss real solutions instead of repeating old arguments. Before the month ends, something moves forward because of shared effort, and that movement builds trust. The fourth card is Wheel of Fortune. This is timing shift. A cycle is ending. Something that felt stuck begins moving. If you were waiting for a reply, a sign, or a decision, it comes. This energy can feel sudden. A call, a message, a new offer, or even a realization that changes how you see your situation. It may look random, but it has been building behind the scenes. The wheel shows destiny adjusting your path. What is not meant slowly exits. What is aligned begins approaching. Before this month ends, you feel a clear shift. You realize something is changing permanently, and deep down, you know it is necessary. The next card is Nine of Wands. You are tired. Not weak. Tired. You have been strong for so long that you forgot what it feels like to rest emotionally. You kept giving chances. You kept showing up. You kept holding everything together. And now your energy feels guarded. This card shows you standing with your walls half up, not fully closed, but cautious. Someone may have disappointed you before, or life simply demanded too much from you. You are still standing, but you are watching carefully now. Before this month ends, you may feel tested one more time. Someone may push a boundary gently, or a situation may ask for more effort from you. This is where you must pause and ask yourself, is this worth my energy? Nine of Wands is not about quitting. It is about protecting yourself wisely. You do not need to prove your strength anymore. The fact that you are still here is proof enough. The next card is Page of Cups. This is soft emotional movement. After heaviness, something lighter enters. It could be an apology, a sweet message, a kind gesture, something small but genuine. If you are single, someone shy or emotionally sensitive may approach. This person may not be bold, but they are sincere. If you are in a connection, communication becomes softer, less ego, more honesty. This card also speaks about inner child healing. You may feel more open to joy again, laughing more, feeling less defensive. Let that happen. Not every connection is meant to hurt you. Before the month ends, allow yourself to receive emotional softness without expecting disappointment immediately. The next card is Ten of Pentacles. This is stability forming, financial structure strengthening, long-term security building. If you have been worried about money, this card reassures you that foundation is improving. You may have serious discussions about future plans, savings, living situation, family matters. This is grown energy, mature planning. In relationships, this is commitment energy, someone thinking long-term about you. Not just today's emotions, but future stability. Watch who includes you in their plans. This card brings grounding. After emotional waves, you begin to feel secure again. That security changes your entire mood. The final card is the Sun. Clarity, happiness, relief. After confusion and emotional heaviness, light enters. Something becomes very clear before this month ends. A truth is revealed. Good news arrives. Or you simply wake up one day and feel lighter. The Sun also shows confidence returning. You smile more genuinely. You stop carrying emotional weight that was not yours. For some of you, this is public success or recognition. For others, it is personal peace. Either way, the outcome is positive. Overall, Cancer, this period moves you from confusion to clarity, from exhaustion to stability, from guarded heart to balanced joy. Affirmation for you: I trust my emotions. I protect my energy wisely. I welcome clarity and stability into my life. And if you want this message personalized to your exact love, career, or financial situation, my sessions start at $9 and I offer a $99 monthly membership for unlimited deeper guidance.